Hello everybody, so it's been a while since I've actually posted a video, but I'm excited for this. Why is it so bright? But I'm excited for this video because this right here has my new tune on it, and the tune actually comes with the Burble map. So we're gonna listen to what the Burble map sounds like, and I'm excited for it. All right, first things first, we gotta actually retune, or what I say, reflash the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then let's see how it works. So if you guys didn't know, I actually got retuned by AMBOT tuning. Before I was tuned by Edge Autosports, and I just kind of decided to go with another company. No, nothing wrong with the Edge tuning. They did actually really well, but I wanted to go AMBOT tuning because I know that they also were very affordable, as well as they came with a Burble right here. So this map, the map I'm tuning is the JW for me, AMBOT tuned. 91 octane 0.8 final with Burble, and the 0.8 is actually the amount of times we revised the map. So we revised the map a total of 8 times, and it takes around 5 to 10 revisions for the final map to be done, and we did it in all in one day. AMBOT doesn't really what was it, Anthony doesn't really like do back-to-back logs like that. But I actually was just really fast with it. So yeah, actually Anthony doesn't really do back-to-back like loggings, I guess, like that, because he's he's very busy all the time. And well, I was really fast with it. The second he sent me a new data log, I went out of my house and immediately retuned the car, gave him the logs, went back home, sent him the logs, and he sent me another one back to back. So it took a total of one whole day, or not whole day, maybe like 2 hours to complete the tuning process, which I really liked in comparison to compared to the Edge. It took us a couple days because we kind of went back to back just a couple days, but I just tuned the car, guys. So now we're gonna go listen to this Burble. I believe the Burble should only activate around 4,000, in between 4,000 and 5,000 RPMs. I'm not sure, but either way we will figure it out. So let's see how it goes. All right, everyone, before I started recording, I wasn't driving that fast, and I shifted a gear and it like popped pretty loud. So now we're actually gonna head on the main road here and just drive it up a little bit and just let off the acceleration and see what happens. All right, so here we go. That was a big, all right, we're gonna go third gear or second gear. Let's just let it off. I'm not really getting any pops. I don't know how to do this. But I mean, even just shifting out of first gear, I'm getting some pops, but I'm trying to get them like really good pops. So let me try to get up to like 3,000 or like 4,000 to 5,000 RPMs and just let it off. I'm gonna try it in second gear. Oh my God! No way. Okay, so you have to actually feather the throttle a little bit to get them burbles, and oh my God, that's so fun. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna go surprise some of the guys with this car whenever they're out of work because they're busy right now. But I'm gonna see the reactions to it because none of them know that I finished my tuning process except for maybe one other person. So oh, this is actually exciting. I love this. I love it. Are you busy right now?
Kinda.
Oh shit. Alright everyone, we're actually gonna go drive by Jericho. I told Jericho to stand outside, so we're gonna go drive right by him right now. Hopefully I can actually get the car to Burble because I don't know how to do it like fully. I just done it for like a little bit, but let's see if I can actually do it. Oh my God. Okay. I learned how to do it, everyone. All right, guys, Jericho's a little bit busy, but this is what he recorded.
like me now, guys.
But yeah, Jericho's a little bit busy. He's gonna go hang out with his girlfriend. But I'm gonna see if I can go show Jan now. Jan's at home, but I don't think he can go out right now. But cause he has to eat dinner. But we're gonna go. I'm gonna see if I can have him stand outside. Other than that, oh my god, this is amazing, dude. I finally learned how to do it. It's literally just I mean, I'm burbling even at a low RPM, even out in first gear. But another gear is probably like, you know, I'd be in the mid-ish RPMs, and then I just kind of just let off and just feather the throttle, and it just goes crazy. But I'm so excited. Like, that's crazy. I've been waiting a while for this, and oh my god, dude. Shout out AMBOT Tuning, shout out Anthony from AMBOT Tuning. Amazing job, and the response time that we just did in one day, even like an hour, like 2 hours. We finished the tune within 2 hours, and not some people wait like a week or something, but we finished it in 2 hours. So shout out Anthony from AMBOT Tuning. I love you a lot, man. I'm so sad. I'm so happy right now. All right, everyone. It's pretty late now, but Justin just got out of work, so I'm gonna go surprise him. I told him to go stand outside, and I'm just gonna go drive right by him and just burble. I've been burbling this kind of all day. Not all day, but you know, here and there. And I know what to do now. So we're gonna go drive right by Justin and then surprise him. Ugly. No. Radio.
I'm in front of them.
All right, coming.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Nice tune.
Thank you.
Dude, it sounds good.
I know, I just did it today.
When did you finish it?
Today. I finished the whole session today.
Did you work today?
I was fast as fuck, boy.
Sounds really
like I said, like my tuner, like literally, because he would send me the logs, right? I go out immediately, send him logs back, go back home, do it again, right?
How long did you like log it for?
Like 2 hours, like an hour and a half.
Driving?
I just know, like I would like, you send it, I'll go home, right? Like I'll drive it with the new log, data log it, go home, send him the log.
Oh, you have to like upload it?
And then he sends me back one, then I go out, do it again. And we just keep doing that over and over. And he like never does that because I was just fast. Like it fit like literally 10-15 minutes tops. I send a new one back. All right, go ahead. You take this. Dude. That was a big ass one, bro.
Dude, it's like gunshots.
So good, bro. Right, it's the next day, and I finally got Jan out of the house. So we're gonna see Jan's reaction to the Burble tune on the Double X. So I'll see if I can get his reaction while I'm driving, but and I'll try my best. So let's see how it is. I actually learned how to, like, you know, after driving for like a day, I actually understand how to, you know, make this thing burble and pop a lot now. So we should get some better clips of the pops and some better reactions today. What?
2 days, I'll be there.
2 days, I'll be there. Bro, they're so much louder now.
I know how to pop now, that's the thing.
I love this tune. I love this tune. I love it.
nice.
Alright everybody, don't mind the wet hair. I know it's kind of late. It's been a couple days and I just finished editing this video. But I want to let you guys know that I have been a little bit busy, which is why the videos have been slowing down. But we are now free on some time. So a lot more videos are going to be coming out for you guys. So I just want you guys to let you know that I appreciate you guys watching these videos lately. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that tune, the tune is insane. Now we got Jan's tune coming up, guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna edit that video very soon, and that video is gonna be crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for all the support recently. A lot more videos coming out for you guys. Trust me on that. I'm working hard on it right now. I'm actually editing the video right now. This thing turn on, but once it turns on, yep, we see we're editing the video right now. So I'm gonna upload this video, and everything's coming out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.